Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, yes, I'm just doing a little video test with the Pixel 9 Pro XL. This is in 4K at 60 frames per second. I'm gonna just do a quick little video, maybe in just 4K. I'm at my little park. I haven't been here for a while, but the park, I mean the little pond or canal or lake you want to call it, it is super low. That ramp is steep. It's not supposed to be that way. Now with the Pixel lineup, they were known for their photos, but not so much their video, but they have been improving with the video in the latest updates in like the 7 Pro, the 8 Pro. So y'all let me know what y'all think about it. How does everything look? How does that sound? I'm just walking around. It is hot though in Texas, y'all. If you're not in Texas, pray for us, because it is hot. I think it's hot everywhere too, like Vegas too. There's baby girl. Well, I'm gonna come back with 4K at 30, maybe in the front facing video. Let's zoom in. That's 20 times zoom. Back out. Not too bad. Is it a really camera test if you don't get tree bark into the video? Let's see. Focus time is there. Looks good to me. But stay tuned. I'm going to come back with 4K at 30. And we can test this out. Alright, so this is 4K at 30 on that Pixel 9 Pro XL. The phone is a little warm. I won't say it's overheating yet, but the phone is definitely warm. But I mean, it's hot out in Texas, y'all. I mean, look at it. Look how much the pond or lake is drying up. No one's fishing right now. I did see someone jogging though. That's why you look young and healthy, because you jogging in this weather, yeah, you're crazy. But slow pan of the Texas sky. Yeah, there's not a cloud in the sky. I'm enjoying the phone so far. They did have a camera update already to this phone, so this is after the update. So yeah, we'll see how it does. I'll probably come back with some front facing footage too, and see how that does. Let's go over here. Yeah, I mean, all of this is supposed to be underwater, y'all. Like, all of this should be in water, but it is not. Man, crazy. But you can zoom in too, 5 times. Back out. I don't know. Y'all let me know. I'm enjoying it so far. Been having it for about 24 hours. And I forgot how much stock Android is just stock Android. It's kind of fun to use. But y'all let me know what y'all want from this device. I'll try to make the videos. But stay tuned. I'm going to come back with the front facing video. Peace. Okay everyone, so let's wrap up this video. This is in 4K at 60 frames on the front camera. Is the Pixel 9 Pro going to compete with the Galaxy S24 Ultra for phone of the year? Only time would tell, but by what I'm seeing on these cameras, they look pretty good so far. What y'all think? How do I look? How does everything sound? How has the video been? Y'all might see me throw some some photos too in here. Trying not to trip or step on a snake or something. But I think the video looks pretty good. The sun is right in my face though. I didn't know the camera could do 4K 60 in the front, but it can. There. But stay tuned to the channel. I'm gonna have more videos coming out for this device. Maybe a gaming review, a couple other videos, maybe even a comparison with my Z Fold 6. You never know. But if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the Pixel 9 Pro XL. Follow me on Twitter at @ForZReviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. Until next time, peace. I'm out.